In this video, we're going to show you how to install windshield wiper blades on your Subaru Legacy located at the base of your windshield. I want to go ahead and lift up our wiper arm just a little bit. And on the top of this particular type of wiper blade, there's a little tab here we need to lift up and disconnect that. Now there's a hook here on our wiper arm, so you want to be careful. Once we release the wiper blade from the arm, don't let the arm slap down as it can crack your windshield. I'm going to lift this up and push the blade towards the vehicle and unhook it. There's the hook right there. We're going to go ahead and set that down carefully. Take your new wiper blade, and there is going to be a curve on the plastic piece right here and a flat tab on the back side. Now this curve is going to accept this hook, so we're going to lift this up. Slide the wiper blade underneath that hook and pull it towards you. And you're going to feel it lock right into place. Give it a little gentle push inward and you should feel that it's locked in. Flip this up and we're going to slide off the protective coating or covering on the wiper blade and then set this down. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.